Good morning and welcome to a sunny but rather chilly Lady Bower Reservoir, and just heading round, and we'll be climbing up Win Hill to start with. I refuse to take someone else's dog poo bag, whoever that was. You're disgusting. Here we go then, the start of the climb up to Win Hill. The climb up Parking Clough then, usually a really tough climb. Actually the easiest going I've ever known it. Due to the ground being so hard, it's usually a sludgy mess. Today it's quite a bit easier going, but it is a steep old climb. Again, not quite at the top yet, but great views of Bamford Edge, centre screen, and then behind it Stanage Edge. There we go then, here's a trig point. I'll head over to that in a second. I'm not going to destroy it. There on Win Hill. quick shot of Mamtor centre screen, and then the ridge walk along to Lewes Hill this side. Still got Lewes Hill to the left of me then. A lot clearer in the valleys, as you can see. I'm just dropping down towards Hope Cross. Hope Cross then. Sheffield, so with one F. Hope. Edale, I'm not sure you see that with a given light. Similarly, Glossop. Lewes Hill then again, just left of centre. Across to Mamtor, pretty much dead centre. Right, Hope Cross is where I'm leaving this path as well and heading through the woodland and start dropping down. I'll find somewhere in here to have some lunch as well, I think. Gate doesn't latch before anyone accuses me of failing to latch it. Bit of a ruin as I drop down away now from Hope Cross and through that woodland. So I'm at a little area now that I've never walked before. I've never come down through that piece of woodland or over this bridge or over this part of the river Ashop. Okay, I'm about to join up with a section where we follow the A57 for a while, so it's not going to be pleasant walking. We'll fire through it. Hopefully it's only about half a kilometre, half a mile, somewhere between them, and we nip off again on the other side. So fingers crossed there's not a lot of traffic and we can get this bit done pretty quick. So that's basically the width that you've got to walk on with 60-mile-an-hour traffic potentially coming past you. Don't like to show the naff bits, but got to be realistic. So to be fair, it hasn't been too bad. I've crossed to this side now because there's a wider verge. But yeah, not too bad considering there's not a lot of traffic today. Okay, so it was roughly 0.4 miles along the side of that road. Not too pleasant, kind of ruins this walk quite a bit, but back off it now, so here we go, back on the up. There we go then, Crook Hill. Summit of Crook Hill. And we'll be careful not to get too close to any edges. Oh. Great stuff. I can't move, hang on, I've got to turn around somehow. Let's get you carried on. Ashopton Bridge down there, Viaduct, sorry. That's where I'm heading back to. That's where I parked, just to the side of it. Should be back there in 40 minutes, I think. Stunning, again. the Highlands. Okay, I wanted to get this in before I drop away from the sunshine because this might be the last to see of it. But you know what, I've really enjoyed today. It's been an absolutely fantastic walk. It's been really easy going underfoot despite the snow, because it's crunchy snow and it's solid underneath. It's not been slippery, it's not been slushy or muddy, or it's been absolutely... Sorry, I had to change to the phone mid sentence there because the battery died on... Well, the battery's not dead on the GoPro, but the GoPro keeps telling me the battery's dead when it's actually on 85%. It's having a bit of a wobbly, but yeah, it's been a stunning walk. The blanket of snow over everything just adds that bit of extra something special, doesn't it? Makes a change. Yes, there's been a cool wind in the air. Yes, you need to make sure you're laid up and you're prepared and whatever else. But all said and done, a stunning walk. I've just got to get over Ashopton Viaduct, which you can see on the screen now, and I'm just parked the other side of that. So this is me signing off and saying goodbye with a cracking little view for you. Hope you've enjoyed it. I certainly have. Certainly want to do again, certainly in this weather, although there's plenty of others I'd like to take on with a bit of snow on the ground as well, so I probably won't be doing this one again for a while. But yeah, if you've got the weather for it and you've got the time for it, make the effort, come and have a special day out like this. It's been fantastic. I'll put all my stats on screen, distance, mileage, whatever else, the Strava stats. There we go then, this is me signing off. Thanks for joining me. It's been a stunning walk. Hopefully I'll get another winner over Christmas time, but who knows what's going to happen. Until then, enjoy your hiking, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.